Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be making fluffy slime. So the ingredients you would need is some glue. I got 2 bottles of the 4 ounce, and I'm going to try the crazy art kind because I've never tried it. Well, my friend has it at her house, but I've never tried it myself. So yeah, and I'm going to use both of these. So that's glue. You also need some blue paint or whatever color you want. You can also use, you will need some shaving cream to make it fluffy. And you will need some contact solution, a mixing tool, and a bowl. So yeah, just gonna put that right there. So I'm going to start by pouring my glue in. That's like so white. So that's all I'm going to use because that's basically all I have. I'm going to use this bottle. Got some glue on me, but it will. I'm trying to get as much as glue as I can. Still pouring out. Sorry if I'm taking forever. Just really trying to get this out. So I think that's all the glue. So yeah, that was all of the glue. So now here's my spoon, but I'll need to shake this shaving cream up. Let me shake it up. And I'm using this kind, the original, but it's thick and rich, is what it says. There we go. I'm going to start with that much right now. And I might add a little bit more, it just depends. I'm just going to mix this real good. So I'm still mixing. And now I might add a little bit more shaving cream. So I want it to be really fluffy. So about that much more. And I'm going to mix. I want to mix until it's like really well. Still mixing. here's what it looks like so far. So now that I open my paint, I can't even open it. Just gonna get that off. Hopefully I'll be able to open this, because here we go. Here we go. I think I have it now. Here I go. Well, we got some off. Let's try to get some more off. This is taking forever. Well, there we go. So I'm going to start with 3 drops. And then add more if I need to. And I'll have to add like more because the white, I put like a lot of shaving cream and stuff. So I'm gonna add a little bit more, like 2 more drops. There we go. Sorry about that, my nose is just really... So I'm going to add 1 more drop because that's like, you can still see white in it. So I'm just going to add 1 more drop and start mixing. And then this should be good enough. Just trying to get it all off of me. So that's the color. So I will add 1 more. There, maybe this will be good enough. And this will be good enough. There we go. Now I'm going to add my contact solution in. There we go. That should be good for just a moment. It's already clumping together and like coming together. Just need to start and keep on mixing. Now hopefully this works. I really hope it does. Because I really don't want to waste this. So now I'll add more contact solution. Leave that much right now. Start mixing. So this is what it looks like so far. Well, it's kind of working out. Just gotta keep on mixing. Now I have it all over me. Yeah, it is just really sticky. So I'm gonna start mixing again. Maybe I need to add more contact solution. I'm just gonna get this rag down here so that I don't wipe my hand off to mix it again. And add more. Whoa. I'm just gonna rub it off. There we go, that's better. So I'm still mixing. It's coming along like really good. Ooh, this is really good, but it's really sticky. So yeah, that is that. I still need to add like more contact solution because it is really sticky. So this is actually a really good slime. Hopefully it'll stay this way. So there's the slime. It's really stretchy, and I love that blue color. So that's all I have for this video. Make sure you give it a big like, comment some more things I should do, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!